Good morning, everyone. I am Aputala from class here. Today, we are doing a debate on is our history of foreign slavery worth remembering. I am speaking against it, and Rupali is speaking in favor. First, Rupali will express her views.
Remembering foreign slavery is not living in the past. It is about when millions of people sacrifice their lives, learning from past and make sure the some sufferings never repeat in future.
Our people sacrificed their lives because they wanted to give us a free nation free from suffering. Instead of getting stuck at that past, we must move forward and try to create a great nation. And instead of looking at past, we should look at the future.
Foreign slavery reminds us the courage and sacrifice to our freedom fighters. Without remembering the foreign slavery, what without what they fought.
They fought because they wanted to give us a free nation. Instead of remembering them in our textbook, we should make their dreams reality. This would be a greater honor to them.
Foreign slavery teach us when a nation is divided, it becomes weak. Foreign slavery teaches us unity is the greatest strength of the country. Do you agree? nation- Do you agree? Unit helped unit helped India achieve independence.
Yes, unity helped India achieve independence, but that same past hold some moment when people of our country were fighting each other because foreign invaders like Britishers used strategies like divide and rule, and at those times our people were fighting each other. So instead of looking at that past, we should try to look at our future and try to solve modern problem from modern solution, not from the past.
But without we don't know our past, we repeat same mistakes in our future.
We won't repeat the same mistakes if we learn from the past and move on from it. Then we won't have to carry the burdens, but we will have the learnings from the past.
Do you agree the sacrifice of our freedom fighters against foreign slavery?
Yes, they sacrificed their lives because they wanted to give us a free nation.
Then we must remember slavery.
No, because it holds a darkness that would weaken the nationalism and pride of our country's people. So, this was our debate. Thank you for watching.